Tech Balance, and this is episode 6.4 of the ccna course, and I'm going to show you how to configure trunk ports. So let's start our configurations. Let's set up our network ready for configurations. So let's pick a switch, two switches, the first switch, the second switch, and let's pick some pieces. The first PC over there, the second one over there, the third one over there, and lastly the fourth PC. Let's connect them. So PC0 to interface first Ethernet 01, PC1 to first Ethernet 02, PC2 to first Ethernet 01 of switch 1, and PC3 to interface first Ethernet 02 of the switch 1 of switch. Now let's connect the two switches. So the two switches are connected, that is port first Ethernet 03 and first Ethernet 03. Now let's start the configurations. So let's start by giving the machines IP addresses. Let's allocate some IP addresses. So 192.168.0.2, default gateway 192.168.0.1. One 172.168.172.16.0.2, then default gateway 172.168.0.1, and PC2 192.168.0.2, 192.168.0.3, default gateway 192.168.0.1, then the last PC 172.16.0.1.6, then default gateway is 172.16.0.1. So let's label them. So PC1 and PC3 are in VLAN 2. So VLAN 2, and PC2 and PC0 are in VLAN 1. Okay, now let's create a VLAN 2 on both networks because VLAN 1 is there by default. So let's create VLAN 2 and we'll name it cells. Enable config VLAN name. Let's call it cells. VLAN 2 is now created and VLAN 2 is cells. Now let's configure VLAN 2 to switch to PC1, and PC1 is connected to first Ethernet 02. So interface first Ethernet 0202 switch port mode access switch port mode switch port mode access VLAN 2 no switch port access VLAN 2. So now PC1 is connected to VLAN 2. Let's do the same to switch 1. Enable config terminal interface. Now let's first create the VLAN 2 in this switch. VLAN 2 name cells. It's now created. Let's assign interface first Ethernet. So this PC3 is connected to interface first Ethernet 02. So let's assign first Ethernet 02 the VLAN 2. So switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 2. It's now set. VLANs are created. Now these two VLANs cannot communicate to each other. This VLAN 1 and VLAN 2 cannot communicate to each other if we've not configured a trunk port, and that's what we're going to do right now. Let's configure trunk ports over here. This for this switch and this switch. So this is how we create a switch port, a trunk port mode. So interface first Ethernet 03 switch port mode trunk. So it has been created. Let's do the same for switch 1. So switch interface fast Ethernet 0 3 switch interface fast Ethernet 0 0 3 switch port mode trunk. So we've also made this a trunk mode, a trunk port. So let's confirm if it was successfully configured with the following command. So exit interface show interface fast Ethernet 0 3 switch port. And you can see switch port enabled, administrative mode trunk, operational mode trunk. This means that the trunk port mode is successfully configured. Let's try another thing. Let's try pinging PC1 from PC3 from PC1, and if we get some data flowing through, that proves that the switch port mode was successfully configured. So ping 172.16.0.6, and you can see it's being detected. So this data flow, so meaning that the trunk port mode was successfully configured, and if these two ports were not made trunk ports, there would be no communication between these two VLANs or these two VLANs. Thank you guys for your time. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.